Happy Wednesday. Just remember, this is for entertainment purposes only. Guys, on my channel, I teach different techniques, different systems to put you close to the winning number, guys. All right, this is the best pick three lottery technique out there, guys. All right, you could actually look at my channel. You can actually look at my channel on TikTok, YouTube, and on Instagram. This is what I do. This is coming out of New York. You gotta keep your results always together, day with day and night with night. Very simple. You gotta learn these steps. If you wanna be successful doing this, you gotta follow the steps. Very simple. You gotta follow and learn how to do the grids. You gotta learn your location. The location is keeping your results separate, day with day and night with night. So what I'm gonna show you here is gonna be night with night. Yes, very simple. I'm gonna show you, very simple. Yes, look at it, I'm gonna show you. These are the results that came out of New York, and I'm gonna show you. January 18th at night, January 19th at night. These are all night results for New York. Night with night, day with day. It's that simple. Yo, very simple. Whoever wants to know what's coming out today, book a one-on-one with me. I go live at 12:30. You want to join the group? I go on live every day, 12:30, 7:30. I give people the winning numbers. Yes, what I'm showing you here now, I'm just showing you what I teach. If you're looking at the numbers, these are the numbers that came out at night, not day and night, nighttime. January 18th, they gave you 675. So whoever's watching this live, go and look at the results in New York and look at the night results. These are all night results. 675 came out January 18th. Follow it. 765. You see the corner pairs? It's touching the corner pairs. That's one number. January 19th. What came out January 19th? 003. What's the flip to the 003? I wrote it for you. It's the 558. So look at it. We went off the 675. Follow it. 765. Now the next number they came out was 558. That's the 300. 558. Touching the corner pairs. What came out January 20th? The 634. Keep following it. Right off the last number, 558 is the 300. Whoever wants to look at the results, whoever doubts me, go look at the results. It's free to go look. Go to Google and type in New York pick three results, and it's going to show you everything. Very simple. So right off the 558, right here, 558 is the 300. They gave you 436. Follow it. Right off the 558, going up, follow it. 463. Touching the corner pairs. Now, this number here, that's 634. We already know the next winning number is going to be attached to it. What came out yesterday in New York? Yes, at night, not daytime, night with night. What came out right off the 634? What came out? The 976. What's the flip to the 976? I wrote it for you. Look at it. 463. What's the number right next door? Knock, knock. Who is it? 124, right off the 634. That's the 679. That was the winning number that came out of New York yesterday. Touching the corner pairs. So what you're looking at here, 124, look at it. 679 is right here, guys. Whatever you're seeing here is the mirror side of it. Look, 679, touching the corner pairs. It's that simple. It's that simple. I'm showing you to learn how to find the location. That's the key to this on winning. You want to learn how to win? The key to this is actually knowing the location you need to be in. That's like driving your car. You ain't got no GPS, you're going to get lost. So I'm showing you the right and the easiest steps to learning this. Yes, definite. Always. Yes, this is going out to everybody that doesn't understand this. If you don't understand, why not ask the questions? If you have no idea what I'm talking about, if you're new to this, why not be smart and look on my channel and do your own research? See what I'm talking about. If you don't have no clue, just like if I didn't know what the person was talking about, you know what I would do? I would ask questions. That's the right and the smart thing to do. You understand how it goes, people? You know, when you don't know something, the right thing to do is ask questions. Yes, if I don't know something, what does the Lotto King does? I ask questions. I get information to learn it. That's the smart way. Yes, there's a lot of people that don't realize that's the best way to learning on anything. Numbers, anything. So anybody who has any questions, anybody here from New York? Caprice Williams, how you doing? Does anybody here from New York? Kurt, well, how you doing? Does anyone here from New York? If you don't understand it, just like when I first learned this, I didn't understand this. But what I did, I asked questions. Smart. Be smart. Be smart. Yes. Yes, I didn't know how to do this, but what I did, I asked questions. I got involved. So if you don't understand it, why not ask the questions? Just like how I learned it, you can learn it too. Yes, New York, what's up? Rochester, look, this is the grid for the nighttime. I was just showing you. The number that came out yesterday in New York was the 870. So that's a total different grid. So whatever comes out in the daytime has nothing to do with the nighttime in New York. Just remember that. When you're doing this, you're playing day with day, not day and night, night and night. You gotta keep everything separate. To be successful doing this, you gotta keep them separate. You can't keep your day, the night. You're all over the place. To learn how to do this, you got to be organized doing this. You can't be all over the place. I'm going to play night, day. Listen, the only way you learn this, anyone that wants to learn this, you have to be organized. Whatever state you're from New York, you get 2 notebooks. You get a day notebook and a night notebook. That's the first basic step. A notebook that costs you 50 cents. That's the first step. The second step is what? Learning how to develop the grids. How you come up with the grids. If you want to learn it, I can show you. That's why I tell everybody, book a one-on-one with me and I can teach you all the tricks to this. Whoever wants to book a one-on-one with me, I'm booked all day today and I'm booked all day for Thursday. I'm available for Friday. I'm available for Friday, 1:15 and at 3 o'clock. Leave me an email. I'm completely booked already. If this wasn't working, nobody won't book me. I'm booked all day today. I'm booked Thursday all day, 9, 10:30, 1 o'clock. I'm booked. Friday, I'm already booked 9 and 10:30. I'm only available for Friday, 1:15 and at 3 o'clock. So whoever wants to learn it, it's a first come, first serve. I don't hold no slots for anybody. Payment holds the slot. Leave me an email or leave me a message if you're interested in learning it. If you're not interested, hey, you can continue doing it your own way. I can't tell nobody what to do. I'm just telling you how I learned it. I booked the one-on-one with the person and he taught me. So if you're interested in learning it, I'm showing you the steps and the correct way on doing it. If you don't, what can I say? I cannot say anything. Nice to meet you, but you're not listening. I'm showing you the correct way on doing this if you want to learn it. So everybody in New York, Melinda, that's why I have my email, Melinda. Please, when you have a chance, a simple email. I would love to discuss this here, but this is not my platform. This is owned by YouTube. Certain things, by their policies, you cannot say and discuss here. So if you're interested, you can leave me a message or email. Simple as that. Yes, always remember, anybody, and look, at 12:30, I'm going live now, look. There's a group that I have every day, 12:30 and at 7:30. Yes, it's on a Zoom call. Yes, it's a private group. If you want, this is where I give the winning numbers at. I put everyone in the winning location and I surround them in the area where you need to be at. These are the tricks that I know. So you can learn it too, but it's up to you. If you want to join the group, you already know what you got to do. You could join the group here on YouTube, but I only go live here on YouTube 3 times a week. Yes, please write me again. If I didn't get back to you, I apologize. I'm telling you here on the live. You know how many people send me emails? I get people from Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and on TikTok. Everyone is email. I get over 500 emails a day. People asking questions. I'm interested on booking a one-on-one. What's the procedure? So I deal with a lot of people. So anyone, if I didn't get back to you, it's nothing that I'm avoiding you. It's just too much. I'm doing one-on-ones and I'm answering emails. I appreciate everybody. I'm appreciating that you're interested because when I first learned this, that's what I did. Those are the steps. So now I'm going to show you in New York. Just remember, whatever comes out in New York in the daytime has nothing to do with the nighttime. So I could teach you. You see how these are all night results? Whatever comes out in the night has nothing to do with the daytime. So I can show you right now, very simple, just the basic grid. I can show you what grid you can actually use for today for New York. This is not the grid that I'm going to use for the people that are in my group. I'm just giving you the basic. Whoever's watching, I'm going to just give you the basic. But if you want to know the corner pair grid, I have it for today. But you actually have to be in the group to get that. Yes, very simple. You have to be in the group. So the last number that came out, this is just a basic rundown, the 7:30 rundown. But if you want to see the grid for today, see this grid here? This grid here that I just finished showing you? This is actually yesterday's grid. Yes. And for today's grid, I got it for today with the corner pairs, but that's only for people that are in my group. So if you want to join the group, I already gave you all the information what you need to do. So the last number that came out in New York was what? So who can help me understand? Who can help me understand? This is the basic. Anybody can do this. But this is, yes, this is accurate, but it's not as accurate as the corner pair. And this is why I teach everybody how to do. In the group, you can learn how to do the grid, the locations, the results, and keep your results day and day and night. And I'll teach you how to do the root sum. There's a lot of tricks and techniques that I got that I've learned throughout the years doing this. Just remember, people, I wake up talking numbers and I go to sleep talking numbers. So I practice. When you practice something over and over and over again, what's going to happen? If you're practicing something every day, are you going to get good at it or are you going to get worse at it? Ask yourself. If you practice something every day, so look. Yes, so the day number yesterday, look, this is the day number, 807. Yes, 870. Simple as that. That's for the location. Good morning, Laura. Very simple. This is only for the location. Look, New York. Location. Location is what? What was the last number that came out in the daytime? 078. Now, what determines what numbers you're going to play for today? What number came out last night for New York? Anthony, how you doing? Happy New Year, Anthony. What's up? So who could tell me the last number that came out in New York? This determines what numbers you need to play for today. So what does this number add up to? 976. Let's do it together. 9 plus 7 equals what? What does this number add up to? The complete number, what does it add up to? Yes, Barbara, you on point. Yes, that's how you do it. 9 plus 7 is 16, plus 6 gives you 22. Yes, you on point. No, 22. You almost got it. is this equals 22. 2 plus 2 equals what? What does 2 plus 2 equals? Yes, there you go. So now 2 plus 2 equals 4. So you go 4, 5. What's the mirror to 4, 5? These are your mirror numbers. What's the mirror to 4, 5? You seen it? What, yes, the mirror to, what's the mirror to 4, 5? There you go. Barbara, you on point. So now look at it. So this is how, yes, this determines what numbers you're going to play for today. What's the flip to this number here, the number that came out yesterday? If you mirror the day number that came out yesterday, what's the mirror to this number, 870? This was the day number that came out yesterday. So if you mirror this complete number, what is it? There you go. Anthony, you're on point. So now look, you see, this is the last number that came out, but the flip to it is 523. The hit sum today from the number that came out last night determines what numbers you're going to play. So the hit sum today is 4, 5. 4, 5. And what's the flip to that? What's the flip to the 4, 5? What's the mirror to 4, 5? Yes, Regina. How you doing, Regina? Barbara. There you go. So it's 9-0. Now, what was the day number yesterday? We already know what numbers we need to play, what area. What was the day number yesterday? 078. What's the flip to the 078? This is what you got to ask yourself. I already got the location because the day number yesterday was 078, and the flip to the 078 is the 523. Katara, how are you? So this is what I do. This is only the basic, and I'm going to just do this real quick because at 12:30, I go live on Zoom. Very simple. So now this is what you're going to ask yourself. What was the number that came out in the daytime was the 780. What came out at nighttime in New York? What was the day number was 078. What was the night number last night? Regina, Barbara, what was the night number? Yes. So everybody sees it. Is it attached? Is it attached to the number that just came out? The day number was 078. The night number, is it attached? So Barbara, is it far away from the day number? The night number, is it far away? Is it? Are you guys seeing it? Day number in New York was 807. The night number, what number did they keep? They got rid of the 80 and kept the 7 from the 807. And what numbers they attached to? What did I tell everybody? If you're playing the 9, you got to play the 6. You're playing the 6, they playing the 9. What did they give you? I tell everybody that's in my group, I tell them every time, when you're playing the 9, you're playing the 6. The 6 is the 9, the 9 is the 6. The neutral numbers are the 0 and the 5s. These are the things that you need to learn. This is what I teach everybody how to do. So now, for today, this is the location there. I would love to give you more. I would love to give you more. You can screenshot it. I'm just showing you day number, night number. The flip to the day number, 078, is the 523. The hit number today is 4590. You see the location. X marks the spot for today. Look, I would love to give you the winning number because I truly see the winning number there. But it's not fair for the people that pay me. So if you want to learn it, I already left you, yes, on this video, it's going to go up. You can actually look at the video and get all the information. You can book a one-on-one with me, or you could join the group if you want to learn it. It's up to you. If you don't want to learn it, you can pick any random number you want for today. Pick any random number. See, me, when I play, Just remember, people, when I play, I just don't pick any random number. Every number that I play has to make sense. In the daytime yesterday, everyone that's in my group, they clearly know I gave them that number in the daytime. I told everybody in the daytime, we had the 870, but I told everybody 412 was a number that was in play. The 412 is the 912. They gave it to us at night. It's in the same family, the 967. That's the 921, the 412. They all the same numbers. So if you want to learn how to do this, does that make any sense? Don't you want to learn it first? Or you just want to just play any random number? Who wants to play any random number? Brian, what's up, Brian? Does it make any sense? Don't you want to learn it first before you start playing with real money? Or you want to play and you don't know what you're doing? Ask yourself. Don't ask me, ask yourself. Does that make any sense? Nah, I'm just going to play anything. You just want to play anything? So you just play any random number. My license plate, anything. My dog's birthday, my parakeet's birthday. So you're just playing anything. So everybody, I appreciate everybody here on the live. Everyone here. I value everybody. Just remember, the way I learned it, you can learn it too. What makes me different from you? I learned it, you can learn it. But there's steps to this, on learning this. So it's up to you. If you want to take it to the next step, I already left you all the information. You can book a one-on-one. You can join the group. All the information is in this video. This video is going to go up. This live is going to go up as a video. You can look at it. Very simple. Yes, so it's up to you. Kiki, what's up? Yes, Barbara. I want you to do great doing this. I want you to do great. What I do, everyone that's in my group, this is what I do. I try to keep everybody as a family. We stick together, we learn together, we grow together. That's what I created. That's what I do. Because if we stick together, we'll grow. Simple as that. So if you want to learn how to do this, you could come join the group or book a one-on-one. Those are the steps on doing this. Lucy Nada, yes. Yes. So, Lucy Nada, just know that number was overdue. Everyone that's in my group, they know, yes, because I have a chart that I keep. I have charts and I keep certain things on lock on my computer. That number, there's certain numbers that I have that I know that are overdue. Those are one of the numbers that were overdue. That number in that family, the 921, 926, 967, those are all the same numbers. That's why that number had to come. That's the 412. They all in the same family. Every number, so you can learn this. This is why I want you to join. There's 8 numbers for every one number. There's 8 different combinations for one number. Winner, 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 winner. Chicken dinner to Keisha. Yes. For New York. Yes. So just remember, there's people, they're doing great. They're making it. They're winning. That's what matters. It's not about hitting the jackpot. It's about making profit daily. You're here for the short haul or you're here for the long haul. Try to make profit every day. This is what I teach. I can teach you the right way to do this. Teach you and put you right in the winning area. Yes, by learning the root sum, by learning the grids, by learning all the key factors like how I learned it, you can learn it too. So I believe in you. I don't even know you. Just like how I learned it, what makes me different from you? You can learn it too. Everyone that's watching. So I already showed you what you need to do. And I appreciate everybody here on the live. If you want to take it to the next step, I already told you what you need to do. So everybody. So if you want to join it, Barbara, please, you have all the information. You can actually leave me an email and I'll give you all the information if you want to join the group or you want to join and book a one-on-one. It's up to you. This is what I do every day. It's not you're going to see me once and you're not going to see me again. This is what I do every day, people. YouTube, Instagram. Yes, this is on TikTok. This is on Facebook. This is what I do every day. Yes, you could click on my bio. Yes, I have merchandise too. This is what I do. Some people are good on other things. I'm good with numbers. Simple as that, guys. I'm straight up. I don't mislead nobody. I tell everybody straight up. So everybody, enjoy your day. You already know what you got to do. This is the location for today for New York. I would love to give you the winning number, but it's not fair for the people that pay me. So you already got the grid here. The basic 730 grid. This is not the grid that I actually have for the people that pay me. So if you want, you could come join and I'll show you how it's done. So everybody, enjoy your day. Happy Wednesday. Winner, winner, chicken, dinner. This is Numbers with Dave, the Lotto King. And I'm out. Have a good day, guys.